Looking for ways to spruce up your home? Start with a color scheme. Hi, I'm Christian with the Home Depot, and I'm going to show you how to transform your living space with color. Pick your favorite colors, but factor in the psychological effect they'll have on the space you're designing. Warm colors like red, yellow, and orange convey excitement and liveliness, a great choice for large entertainment spaces like the living room and kitchen. Cool colors like blue and green give a feeling of peace and relaxation, perfect for bedrooms and bathrooms. You don't have to limit yourself to light colors for small rooms. Darker hues can create the illusion of limitless walls or make a room feel cozy. There are lots of resources to help you come up with your perfect color scheme for your home. One is the color wheel, a diagram that shows the relationship between colors. The other is the 60-30-10 rule, which helps you balance out the colors in a room. 60% gets covered with the most prominent color. 30% is a visually distinctive supporting color. And 10% of the room can be finished off with accessories and artwork to complete the look. Let's go over a few simple and common color schemes so you can get a better idea of how to use these tools for your project. You can stick to one color and use varying tints, shades, and tones of that color to create depth and texture. This is known as the monochromatic scheme. As with any scheme, additional texture can be created with accent pieces. Don't be afraid to play with patterns. You can combine a variety of designs as long as they share a common color, shape, or style. If you prefer a bolder look, try the complementary scheme, 2 opposing colors on the color wheel. Typically, one is used as the mass tone, and the other, the undertone, accentuates it. Make sure your undertones blend well with your mass tone. Always use sample paint on the wall before you commit to a color. When you're painting, use the same undertone for neighboring rooms to create a cohesive look. Check the area throughout the day as the outdoor lighting changes to be sure you're happy with the overall look. A third option is to go for the analogous scheme. 3 complementary colors that are grouped together on the color wheel. This design forms a harmonious feel, but you should also mix in a little contrast so that it doesn't fall flat. A good way to work this in is to incorporate shiny metallic accent pieces and ample lighting to create a colorful, energetic effect. Or you can embellish your statement pieces with decorative accessories. Regardless of the color scheme you choose, just go for it and have fun. Remember that the most important rule is to showcase your personal style. For more inspiration on home decor and creating a look that you will love, visit us online at homedepot.com/decor.